right now there's excellent light and wind right here, so I'm gonna fly my drone for a second. First, let me say thank you for watching my video. I'm going to talk here about wellness and travel, specifically my upcoming trip to Japan. Please subscribe so that way you can get notifications of the things that are going on in this channel, and please share this video. I will really appreciate it. Today, I kind of just want to talk a little bit about wellness because I haven't done that in a little while, and I kind of want to talk about the latte factor. Something I learned from a book called, I think, The Automatic Millionaire. And it helped me a lot to figure out things to work with my clients to lose weight, and also helped me a lot save money.
Alright, this is just too much.
I just came back home to change because I couldn't handle being in those clothes too much longer. Today I've been very disorganized. I need to plan out a little bit better way to come up with content and to just give you a better report of what's going on. Let me just step back for a second and tell you what's been going on throughout the day. First in the morning, I went to an immigration office to do a translation, an interpretation for someone, which was really cool. And the fact that I can speak 2 languages allows me to that. Then after that, I went back to that restaurant where I shot some of the drone footage in one of my previous videos. And the lady saw me shooting, and I sent her some of the videos that I got that day. She loved it. She wanted me to do a little bit of a shooting. The lady saw me, and then she wanted me to do a little bit of a shooting for her restaurant. Maybe I'll just put that footage here. And now I'm gonna go to the car dealership to see if I can finally sell my car. Most likely I'm gonna end up with another car, so I'm gonna say goodbye to my beautiful Camaro. So I wanted to talk about this term that I saw in a book called the latte factor, and it's pretty much about how to make more efficient purchases and use the money that you have extra to invest it and grow your money. So I take the same approach for wellness. So I always ask all my clients, and I do it myself, make a food log, figure out, just sit down and see how much you're eating, what calories are coming in, and then you can also analyze what you can substitute, what can be better. That's the best technique you can do in order to just become more aware on how much calories are coming in and how to balance your diet a little bit better. Because remember, you don't want to just make a complete diet where you're gonna just take away everything out. You want to just make sure you control the things that are giving you extra calories, but at the same time be more conscious about what are you eating, how are you eating, and just make sure it's more where there's a plane going through. Bottom line is that you want to be mindful of how much you're eating and be efficient on the things that you want to put in there versus the things you need to put in there. And how much are you overindulging, right? Because it's not about just taking away all the things that you enjoy. It's about controlling those things. Just be mindful, be more conscious about it. Now, I have one question. Why does it take so long to sell a car and to get a new one? I've been here for hours in order for me to sell my car.